The duck in the pond. Keywords: fast, baby, flat, coins, pond. That is a white duck. It has a yellow flat bill. It lives in a pond. It gives us eggs. It gives us baby ducks too. That is a buck. It is a big black buck. It has two long horns. It lives in a forest. It can run very fast. She is a nurse. She has a cap on. The cap is as white as milk. She helps us when we are sick. That is a purse. It is Kim's purse. It is very costly. It has 6 coins in it. It is in Kim's left hand.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.